Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and the mascara that I usually go for whenever I am applying makeup is this mascara by the brand Milk. It is the Milk Makeup KUSH mascara, and the reason why I usually go for this one is because I really like Milk as a brand. I feel like personally, I believe that Milk is a very responsible brand when it comes to the ingredients that they use, and I feel very comfortable using their makeup, applying it on my skin, and specifically applying this mascara on my eyelashes. And this mascara certainly does its job. It leaves my eyelashes looking long. It does not leave them super clumped with product, which is something that I feel is very important because when it comes to makeup, it is very important to also be subtle. And I feel like that is the result whenever I use this mascara by Milk Makeup. I also find its packaging very convenient because its size allows me to carry it around very easily. I can place it on any of my bags without worrying that it will occupy a lot of space. And that is my point of view.